Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find my Android phone. In this situation, pick any friend's mobile or just go for your computer and go for your Chrome browser and search here google.com/android/find. Okay, then after that you can go here in this page, and you have to go for here in this your Google icon account, and you have to add your Google account which is on your Android phone from here. Okay, after that this website locate your Android phone on which in this area. You can see our map here, and you can play sound for 5 minutes. If your mobile is silent, also you can play sound for 5 minutes from here, and you can secure your device also with your message or phone number. And okay, this is the link, and you can erase any your data from our Android. So guys, hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.